Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So like the title says, it's going to be a Bath and Body Works haul. I feel like this is very old school YouTube and I just thought it'd be fun. They just had their semi-annual sale, so I want to show you guys what I got. I needed some like summer stuff because I was kind of using like leftover from fall and also spring. So they just had their semi-annual sale. I think it might be still going on, but they always have coupons and all that kind of stuff. So if there's a coupon, I'll leave it on the screen for you guys. I don't make money or anything, but just to let you know. So I needed some new summer scents. I wanted a few summer soaps. I also ran out of hand soap. I was using like leftovers from the fall. So with that being said, let's get into it. Quick, simple, cute. So I only got one body spray. I'm not huge on the body sprays. I don't like go crazy with them, but I do get them occasionally, and I like to use them mostly for the bathroom or for my beach bag. And I got this one because this is my favorite summer scent from Bath and Body. It's my favorite candle from them as well, the watermelon lemonade. This smells so delicious. You get a big bottle of this. I love to spray this on just any time of the day, before the beach, even for the bathroom. I use it as a house spray. It's just one of those great fragrances that you can use. This one actually smells really good, like candy. It kind of smells like Britney Spears Fantasy or like Prada candy, but with a lot of watermelon. Like that's the first thing you get, is a burst of watermelon. It almost feels like you can taste it. It's really sweet. If you love watermelon, you would love this. You do get that sourness at the end when you're smelling it of the lemon. I think this is one of their best scents. It has a slight cucumber scent to it as well, so if you like cucumber melon, you would love this too. I think I'm really enjoying this. It smells so good, like watermelon candy, but it does have like that musky underlying note that makes it more grown up. I just think it's a great scent for the summer. It smells delicious. So this haul was mainly for soap. So like I said, I also picked up the watermelon lemonade soap, and this is the deep cleansing one. This is the one with the little beads. This reminds me of my childhood because I had a family member who always had her bathroom stocked with the Bath and Body Works hand soaps, and she always had the one with the beads in it. So it just takes me back to like that comforting time of like a childhood memory. And yeah, I love this because, again, love this scent. Packaging is really cute. Great for the summer as well. And I think the soap might not have such like a strong smell as the actual fragrance or the candle. Let's see. Yeah, this one's a lot softer. In my opinion, this smells more on the lemon side, whereas the fragrance smells very watermelony. This one is not as potent, which I like, because you don't want to walk around and get a headache because your hands smell so strong. And then of course the little beads in there are great just to keep your hands exfoliated, and it's moisturizing. This lathers up really nicely as well. The next soap is the regular gentle foaming soap, and this is the mango mai tai. I love mangoes in the summer. This one, it's definitely mango-y. Did I get it on me? I got it on me. It has mango, nectar, sun-kissed grapefruit, and sugarcane. I definitely get the grapefruit. I get all the scents. I get the mango and the sugar a lot, and then you get that sourness of the grapefruit after, and it like brightens it up. It's really nice. It's not super strong, but it has a really nice soft smell, and it's just very like beachy. It just smells really nice. And then this also has cocoa butter. So I don't know, I really love these soaps. I feel like they keep your hands like really moisturized. They don't dry them out too much. They're just, you know, they're good. We all know that, right? I'm trying to like hype it up, but like we all love Bath and Body, so like last soap is really cute. I'm excited for this one. This one is called Patties, but actually it's the rosewater and ivy. So if you watched my empties video, you guys know I love the rosewater and ivy candle. It is one of my favorites. I just got a new one actually, I think, in this collection of stuff. I love the candle, so I had to get this. And I also love the packaging of this. You guys know I love Paris. Packaging on this is so freaking cute, with that little Parisian drawing. Oh my goodness, with the Eiffel Tower and everything. Like, is that not the cutest thing? And then the soap itself is pink, and I love the way this smells. Oh, it's so fresh. It smells like roses, but it's like very bright and green, and it smells like roses, but it just rained and there's a lot of greenery there as well. This is rose petals, rain-kissed ivy, and spring musk, and I definitely get that rain spring vibe. Like, you smell it, it smells like you're running through like a wet rose field, and there's like a lot of greens there, and I don't know, it's brighter than just roses. Like, roses are very soft and romantic. This is like bright, but still smells like roses. I love it. It smells just like the candle. Really good. So if you like the candle, you like the soap. All right, and then before we get into candles, I got one body lotion. I love these for just casually after the shower, just throwing them on whenever your hands are dry. Antonio uses them to massage my feet. So I like to always have a lot of lotions because they're just the kind of thing that you always need before you leave the house. I like to have them everywhere, one in the bedroom, the bathroom, like just always have these. They're great for the beach, just perfect. This one is the Fresh Coconut Colada. It has shea and vitamin E. It's like one of the throwback packaging of the lotions. Let's see. It says it has coconut milk, vanilla rum, and pink hibiscus, and it has 16 hours of continuous moisture. So yeah, like I said, I like to throw these on after the shower. It's just like the perfect after shower body lotion because it's not super heavy, it's not super sticky, great for the summer. Let's see how this one smells. I'm excited because you guys know I love me some coconut. Oh my god, this packaging, I hate with the plastic. It takes forever to come off. Like, look at this. What is this? Jesus. Smells so good. Oh, you really get that milky coconut and vanilla. It almost smells kind of cinnamony, almost like a coconut vanilla cinnamon latte. It smells really good, but it's like really soft, which I like. It's not like, oh my god, in your face, like I'm at the beach. It's just very soft, milky, coconutty scent. Just perfect for before bed and after the shower. It's really nice. And then lastly, I just picked up 3 candles because I didn't want to like go over the top, but I just wanted some candles to get me through the summer. So I did pick up a rose water and ivy. I always get this when I go. This has become like my favorite candle from them ever. It's just great because I feel like it works all year, any time of day. This is great when I'm working during the day because it's bright and fresh, but then at night the rose scent is still comforting. So I just feel like it's the perfect candle, and it comes in a lot of different packaging. This one is new. I've never seen this one and I love it. It's simple, classic, chic, nice color. Oh, it just smells so fresh. Like, it smells like I actually just created my own perfume, and this is what it smells like. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link for you guys down below. I made my own perfume with Olfactory in New York, and I was able to make my own perfume, and you guys can actually buy it. It's called Gabriella, but you can actually get it with your name on it, so it won't say my name. And it smells really good. Their brand is basically, their mission is to like not recreate but create scents that have like a lot of the notes and stuff from more expensive fragrances, but theirs are a lot cheaper, and they skip like all the extravagant packaging, although I think their packaging is really nice anyway. Actually, talking about it, shameless plug for my own perfume, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And then it's just super simple, super chic and pretty. It smells so good, and it really reminds me of this candle. When I went in, I was like, I want something that smells like roses, and then we added like greens to it and just made it very like fresh, and it just smells so nice. It smells like this candle. Really love it. Love roses like a basic bitch. Yeah. This one you could kind of categorize as like a fall scent, but I feel like this is just a delicious scent that you could use all year. It reminds me of like Venice and eating. Actually, when we were in Venice, we stopped by a patisserie and I got tiramisu because that's like my favorite, and I was in Italy, so I had to have tiramisu. You know, like you're in Italy, you have to have that. Hello. So that's what this reminds me of. This is the Ciao Bella sweet tiramisu candle, and you can see there's a little Vespa on it, and I just felt like I wish I was in Italy right now. Like, I'm trying to capture those vibes. Actually, this is kind of giving me Italy vibes, so I'm obsessed. It smells so delicious. It's very heavy on the caramel. It says that it has whipped cream, vanilla sponge, Italian espresso. There is the espresso in there. I wish there was a little bit more because tiramisu is very heavy on the coffee. It's not actually a very sweet or sugary dessert. It's actually more espresso than anything. There isn't much sugar in it. So I wish that the candle had a little bit more of the espresso. Don't say espresso, people. It's espresso, okay? With an S, just saying. Gotta put it out there. So I wish it had a little bit more of the coffee scent. It's very, very sweet, but it's delicious. I know it's gonna make the whole house smell like coffee and cookies, basically, like an Italian bakery. Ugh, smells delicious. My God. You don't have to eat cookies, just smell that candle, honestly. All right, the last thing is this Island Papaya candle. I got it mostly for the packaging, to be honest. Look at how cute. There's flamingos all over. I'm actually dying to go to Flamingo Beach, so I kind of wanted to like incorporate those vibes and kind of like put it out there in my mind as like a mini vision board. I'm telling you, it works. Put things in your field of vision every single day, like your goals or the vibes you're trying to go for, and I'm telling you, subconsciously you will make it happen. So that's why I got this. But also I wanted the candle because it has coconut, papaya, sugarcane. I mean, my faves, my jams. It's very soft and it's really, really delicious, and you do get that papaya, but the coconut like brings it down a little bit. But the papaya is really there. It really reminds me of like when I was a kid and I would wear a lot of like cookie, fruity lip glosses. It's really delicious. It reminds me of being a teenager and wearing like fruity perfumes and fruity lotions. But yeah, it's very soft. I feel like this would be a good bathroom candle or a kitchen candle, something that you burn like in the morning or when you're having people over. It's not too over the top, but it'll leave like a nice little scent in the air. So that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. All right, love you, stay glam. Bye.